Hey guys, so I get this question asked all the time. So today I'm going to show you how to make my niche memes. I open the app Superimpose. It costs like $5 and it's really complex, but I think it's worth it. Here I choose the photo that I wanted to use in order to make a PNG, which is basically just a photo without a background. You kind of need them in order to make niche memes. Here is where I start the incredibly long process of cutting out the PNG. I only show this for the video because I wanted to make a more complex video for you guys, and I don't know. I think it might be useful for people to see how I cut out the images, but normally I usually always have my images already. I don't have to cut them out beforehand, so this is why the video is way longer than it should be, if you're wondering. Now that the PNG is done, I leave Superimpose and I go to a different app called Stickit. Stickit, you can save all of your PNGs, which is why I'm cutting them out right now. And I don't know, it's like a good little database for all of your PNGs to be saved in. I know you can do the same thing in Superimpose, but whatever, I like Stickit more. Now that the images are finally ready, I go to a different app called Phonto. Phonto is where you can add all your text to your post, so this is where I make my title, and here's where you find out what the post is about. Then I come back to Stickit and I select Collage at the bottom. I add the background title that I just made. Here's another one of those really long parts. So I go through my database of images that I've collected over the past few months. I've got way too many of them. And I just organize all of them together. Usually when I make a post, all of the images relate to the post in some way, but I couldn't really think of anything, so I just put random stuff for most of the images. Now that I'm basically done cropping, I need to add text, so I go back to Fonto. I like to keep all of my ideas for niche memes in my notes app, so it's really easy to keep track of everything, and if I'm using someone else's super original idea, then I just put their username next to wherever it is in the notes app, and then I can easily remember to credit them. So I'd recommend organizing your ideas like that. Once I'm finished with all the text, I drag my finger all over the entire text and highlight them. Then I change the style. Don't forget to add your watermark, as there are filthy reposting thieves all over the place, and they will not check to see if your watermark is on there. Now it's time for cute random emojis to fill the ugly blank spaces. I used to put like white overlays, but I think the emojis look a little bit better. Alright, so here I'm just making a few finishing touches, and voila, I am done. Make sure to save it in your camera roll, and thanks for watching. Open up, you open.